Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Dolphins are very intelligent animals.
Dolphins are very intelligent animals.
Donkey.
Donkey.
The farmer used a donkey to carry the load.
The farmer used a donkey to carry the load.
Door.
Door.
Please close the door behind you.
Please close the door behind you.
Dot.
Dot.
There is a red dot on the map.
There is a red dot on the map.
Double.
Double.
If you double the recipe, you'll have enough for everyone.
If you double the recipe, you'll have enough for everyone.
Doubt.
Doubt.
I doubt that he will come on time.
I doubt that he will come on time.
Doughnut.
Doughnut.
She bought a chocolate donut for breakfast.
She bought a chocolate donut for breakfast.
Dove.
Dove.
The dove is a symbol of peace.
The dove is a symbol of peace.
Down.
Down.
The ball rolled down the hill.
The ball rolled down the hill.
Download.
Download.
I downloaded a new song from the internet.
I downloaded a new song from the internet.
Downstairs.
Downstairs.
The kitchen is downstairs.
The kitchen is downstairs.
Downtown.
Downtown.
We went downtown to do some shopping.
We went downtown to do some shopping.
Dozen.
Dozen.
I bought a dozen eggs at the store.
I bought a dozen eggs at the store.
Drag.
Drag.
He dragged the heavy box across the room.
He dragged the heavy box across the room.
Dragon.
Dragon.
In Chinese culture, the dragon is a symbol of power.
In Chinese culture, the dragon is a symbol of power.
Drama.
Drama.
She loves watching drama on TV.
She loves watching drama on TV.
Draw.
Draw.
He drew the curtains to let in some light.
He drew the curtains to let in some light.
Drawer.
Drawer.
The socks are in the top drawer.
The socks are in the top drawer.
Drawing.
Drawing.
Her drawing won first prize in the art competition.
Her drawing won first prize in the art competition.
Dream.
Dream.
Last night, I had a strange dream.
Last night, I had a strange dream.